Hi, hello everyone. Uh, Today I am going to teach you how to convert a site plan from paper to CAD. So instead of redrawing the site plan, there is a very easy method to do it with more accuracy. So let's start. First, what you have to do is you get the site plan and you scan it and convert it to a JPG image. Okay, something like this. Okay. See, this is a JPG image which I have scanned and converted it. So the second step is you have to insert the JPG image as a raster image. Okay. Now insert the file. Say OK. Okay. Now I have inserted the JPG image as a raster image. Now what you have to do is you have to draw over the site plan. Okay, let's do it. Try to be as accurate as possible, otherwise the dimension won't come correct. Okay, now we have drawn the side boundary. The next step is if you see here the 16.75, which is the actual dimension of the site, but when you measure the JPG raster image, it is something like 41.5. So what you have to do is you have to scale the drawing so that you get a 16.75 here. So what I'll do is I'll draw a circle of 16.75 meter radius. Okay, so the next step is you have to scale the drawing. Okay, so click here. Okay, so what we have done is we have scaled the drawing to the dimension. So if you check it, it is 16.75. and next step is, suppose if you want to align the site plan according to the north direction. See, if you see here, usually the north direction should be on the top, vertical. So what we'll do is we'll draw a reference line here. Okay, now do it. Okay, we'll align it. Okay, see, now your drawing is aligned, and now you can delete the raster image. So now you got the site plan and the vertical direction is north.